Hello, welcome Engineer High Tech Professional Technology. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the countdown. Countdown is while your audience waiting for you, 30 seconds, 1 minute. While you are coming on the stream or live, you come, that's the waiting for you notification you send them. Then I show you how to do that. This is the countdown. This is the one I'm talking about. That's the how many seconds they wait for you. And they know that you are coming. Come on the time finish. Thank you. I'll show you how to do it, how to start it. And actually you need an internet. And this software is it's not a Photoshop. I'm using it. I'm using Pixelar. I'll show you how to do it very easy. Thank you. Let's go. This is the internet website you need. You go to Google Chrome, one of your browser, and you just type it in Pixelar. It's a free software actually. It's like a Photoshop. Pixelar. Pixelar.com actually. This is it. That's the one. And this is the one I have. Actually, you go to the create, new created, and then you make a name and we call a background image. Background image. And it has to be 1920 and 1080 resolution for your, depends your monitors. And my monitor is 1920 and 1080p. I'm using it, and you just create. That's the dash you're gonna be created. That's how it looks like. After this, you go to the what do you call? You go to new layers, and you go to empty, and you fill wrap. I'm using the different one. Actually, wait, I show you my history. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one I used it. This is the background I used it. You just save it. You call the text. Yep, that's it. How I do this. And you put the text on it. You go to the text and you put it on the screen. Actually, double click. Save. Something wrong. Yeah, that's it. You go to stream, start, and that's it. You put on up there. You make font, size. You make bigger. That. And you put your logo here. You're gonna put your logo here. Actually, I have my own logo, but you have to put on, and that's it. That's how you make it. You go to text again, and you put on your name. Engineer Haile Tech. And you make that bigger. That's it. And you make bold if you want. That's how you do it. And you put your logo here. So just save. You go to save here. You save in background. You download it. You make a folder. You always make folder for that. I have an external hard drive. You make this folder background image. Double click it and you just copy for the downloaded. You make it this one, right click and copy and go back your folder you made it and you just paste. That's it. I'll show you how you put it on onto the OBS. Yeah, this is the OBS I'm using. This is the video editing. You just create what do you create? Countdown. Means countdown. Create countdown. As you see, first plus and the empty. You press the source and the source. You press that plus one, and you go to image, and you make a name. Background image. Press OK, and you just select. You go to browser, and then you go to your where you put on here. Put on there. This is the one, and I open it. Boom, you will see it. That's it. That's how you do it. So let's put the countdown now. To put on the countdown, you go to plus again. You press the you call the text. You press the text and you make a name. You make a name. Time. That's it. You just let go. Okay. You just click. That's it. Okay. That's the one here it is. What you do is you go to tools here, script, and that's the countdown here. It is. If you don't see this countdown, you just press this price plus one, and you will see it from here. And you select it, open it, and you see there. You double click it. You choose the here for the timer. That's the one we put on the timer. You choose that, and then that comes appear that. Close. What do you do now? You put on there, and then you press Control Shift, and then you you press an Alt and you shrink. You need a second. Second, 8 seconds, or whatever. You shrink like that. Whatever you like 0 or whatever. Just put on like that. You make a bold if you wanna. You make a bill bigger. You just press that. Double click. If you want to change the color, you can change. Now it's a white. You select it. You put the blue. Okay. That's how it is. Okay, let's put on the sound. How we put the sound? How big the sound? You change the blue. See, the colors change into blue. Okay, we're gonna put sound. You just put on, you press Alt. If you want a zero, you put the left, like that. Just select like that. If you wanna set up the seconds as the time, it's already is. You go back to the tools, script is just 1 minute. See, so you see duration 1 minute, you can add if you want 2 minutes. If you want 5 minutes, you can add. Well, depends on, it's up to you, whatever you like. You put on, that's it. 5 minutes, now it's 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you have to be you show is start. After 5 minutes finished. So let's do, we're gonna put the sound. How we gonna put the sound? You have to go to the download software. I have to download software. I'll show you how to do it. Just a second. Yeah, we're gonna put the sound in it. That folders, that project. You go to one of your browser for internet. You search Google and you type in Audacity. Just that one. Just go and you download it. You download it. Once you download it, you have Mac, Windows, you download, that's it. Here, you press that. You go here to install. It will install that thing. See, it goes down here. And you double click it. And you follow this. You follow the steps. English, yes. That's it. I already downloaded, but it's easy to install it. Once your download is completed, you go back. You go back here, you will see it. You go to, what do you go? Out. This my one. You will see first place like this. And we need to record songs from the internet. Actually, you have to use the window. You have to use the one of your speakers and one of your studios. That's it. And then you go back. You go back to your internet. When you go back to internet, you just put on and relaxation song. Song. Somali. Somali. If you want, you can put Somali MP3. MP3. Yeah, it's downloaded here. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. You can fast download here. Actually, it's just this tutorial. I'll show you how to put it on stand on. Okay, wait. You go back. We just need to play on it. like okay. You just say so Somal MP3 done. That's it. Is it? Yes. You just play. You only need one minute or 2 seconds, whatever you like.
qornayl wahado qortaagana dhaxdu qabasha iyo qobton toosana Soomaalidu dhaqaaqo badhigid sama way qaadatay qobtu dhalada sanaha qornayl wahado qortaagana dhaxdu
You can stop that. You go to file, import, export. You go to file, save project. Export as MP3. You just save in this music countdown. You're gonna save that. Where we're gonna save? We're gonna save our folder that we created before. Yeah, we're gonna save that. You just make creative name. You press OK. That's it. We finished. We put it on now. We put on now the project that we will creating here. We put on that how to put on that sound. You press that plus. You press the media source. You go to a media. You make a name. You make a name. Sound. Okay. Loop. You press loop and restart, and that you select that. You go to browser. You go to where you saved it. Background image. There it is. You put on and press the record. So now you won't hear nothing. You only need one minute or 2 seconds. I show you how to hear yourself. You not hear yourself, but 1 minute or 2 hear seconds, the others. Whatever you are online, they will see. To hear yourself, you press there. Now it's 15 seconds.
qornayl wahado qortaagana dhaxdu qabasha iyo qobton toosana Soomaalidu dhaqaaqo badhigid sama way qaadatay qobtu dhalada
Then it only need one minute or 2 seconds, whatever you like. You just put on. Now it's 15 seconds.
qornayl wahado qortaagana
You don't always
qabasha iyo qobton toosana Soomaalidu dhaqaaqo badhigid sama way qaadatay qobtu dhalada
press the record. But when you wanna test it, it only need one minute or 2 seconds, whatever you like. You just put on. That's how you do it, how you create it. Now it's 15 seconds.
qorqornaa ilwahadu qor taagana dhaxdu qabasha iyo qobtan
That's it. You're
toosana
gonna stop
manidu
that.
dhaqaaqoba
That's how you
dhigiidsama
create it.
way qaadatee qoftu dhal
Yeah, now you hear, but I don't hear that. It's only need one minute or 2 seconds, whatever you like. You can just put on. That's the tutorial. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to show you how I create this lower third. And this is the social icons. How I created. This is, and I show you very easy and simple. You go to plus, and you make a name. What do you call? You make a tutorial. That's the thin one. You press it, you go to source, press the plus, display capture. You're gonna use one of another camera I have. Let's wait. I'm gonna use the other camera. Yeah, this camera I have, I'm gonna use the other one. So you go to the actually, and you go to one of the browser. Again, we don't do the Photoshop. We will do again Pixlr. Pixlr is free for the internet. You go to internet for the browser, Google Chrome, Pixlr. And this is always what I do for that. You need to log in. You create. This background 1920 1080. That's how it appears. And you want to do the lower third one. First, we do the lower third. You press that. If you want a white one, you choose the white. Yeah. Press that. You go to plus here. Shape. You choose the shape. Yeah. You choose the shape here. You fill that up. You fill it up the white. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, wait. Undo. Nothing wrong. You go to here. Empty layer. Oh no, no. Wait. You go to shapes. You press that. You press here, actually, and you make a white. That's it, how you make it. You put it on lower third here. Actually, there it is. You want to make another one? Just another one you make. Press that, make red. That's it. Put this one. That's how you made it. You go plus here always, text, and you put on name. Yeah. Aile. Oh, wait. That's it. You make white. You make size bigger. A little bit smaller. You put there. And again, here you put on another text. You always go to plus, actually. Text. And you go. Okay, wait. I'll redo it again. Oh, yeah. Knowledge. That's it. You make a. It's a white because this one is white. You have to make that color match to the black. You make the size the bigger. And then change it to the black. You just put it here. That's how you do it. Very easy. And what else? Show you how to do the social icons. Very easy as well. This one. This one actually. The social icon, that one. That one how to do it. I show you. Very easy. Press the record. Press the record. Yeah. You go same thing. You go to here. You go to shape. You use one of the shape. You change the color, right? We need to create another shape. This time we need to create airbox here. We make one. That another shape. Where is the another shape? You can see it. I can see it this one this time. That shape. Don't worry, I'll show you next time. And this one I'll show you next time. Don't worry about it. That's how you do it. I'll show you how to put on the and what do you call how to put on the other thing on the face. I'll show you. This is the one we created. We put on here plus image. We select the image for the lower third. That's the lower third. We're gonna put on browser. We haven't saved it yet, do we? We're gonna save. We have to save this one. File, save. We make a name, wallpaper, download. We open the download here. Right click, copy. We'll put on our folder. Paste there. That's it. We go to here. That's the one comes now. I saved it. You double click it. You open it. Okay, and it comes that. That's the lower third here. Thank you for you watching. That's how I create my videos and editing. Thank you. And that's how we do it. And see you next stream. Goodbye.